Hi everyone, my name is Aleksander Jonias Lololuan and welcome to this tutorial. Okay, today I will show you how to install Python on Ubuntu Linux running on VirtualBox. I will also demonstrate how to use Jupyter notebook in this environment. This tutorial is perfect for those who want to explore Python programming in Linux-based system. So, let's get started. First, open VirtualBox and start your Ubuntu virtual machine. Once Ubuntu has booted, log in by entering your password. After logging in, you see the Ubuntu desktop interface ready for use. Let's proceed to set up our environment. To begin, open the terminal. You can do this by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus T or by searching for the terminal in the application menu. The first step to update your system to ensure all packages are up to date. Type the following command in the terminal: sudo apt update and press enter. You'll be prompted to enter your password. Type it in and press enter. The system will now update the package list. This process may take a few moments. Next, let's check if Python is already installed on your system. Type the following command in the terminal: python 3 min version and press enter. If Python is installed, you see its version number display. Typically, Python 3 is pre-installed on Ubuntu, as it is essential for running various programs. If it's not installed, you can install Python 3 by typing the following command: sudo apt install python 3. Press enter and wait for the installation to complete. After verifying Python, let's check if pip, the Python package manager, is installed. Type pip3 min version. If pip is not installed, use this command to install it: sudo apt install python 3 min pip. Press enter and wait for the installation to complete. Afterward, check again with the same command, pip3 min version. This will confirm that pip has been successfully installed. To keep your Python project organized, we'll create a virtual environment. First, install the virtual environment package by typing sudo apt install python 3 min virtualenv. Once the virtual environment package is installed, the next step is to create a directory where you organize your project file. In the terminal, type, for example, this command: create a new directory named demo. To ensure the directory was created successfully, type ls. This will list all the files and directories in your current location. You should see demo listed. Next, navigate into the demo directory by typing cd demo. Now, let's create a virtual environment within this directory. Type the following command: virtualenv notebook can v. This command creates an isolated Python environment called notebook-env inside the demo directory. This is especially useful for managing dependencies specific to your project without affecting the global Python setup. Next, activate the virtual environment with this command: source notebook-env/bin/activate. When activated, you see the environment name notebook-env displayed in your terminal prompt. This means any Python package you install will now be contained within this environment. Now, let's update pip to the latest version. Type the following command: pip3 install min upgrade pip. After updating pip, install Jupyter Notebook by typing pip3 install Jupyter. This will download and install Jupyter Notebook in your virtual environment. Once Jupyter Notebook is installed, you can run it by typing Jupyter Notebook. This command starts the Jupyter server, and your default web browser will open with the Jupyter Notebook interface. From here, you can create new notebooks. Let's create one and type a simple Python command. For example, press Shift plus Enter to run the code and see the output. You can also change the kernel by going to the kernel menu at the top and selecting Change Kernel. Additionally, you can rename your project by clicking on Title at the top and entering a new name with the .ipynb extension. And that's it! You've successfully installed Python and Jupyter Notebook on Ubuntu using a virtual environment. To summarize, we update the system, check it and install Python, set up a virtual environment, and run Jupyter Notebook. So, thank you. Okay, that's all for this tutorial. We've covered how to start Ubuntu on VirtualBox, install Python, and use Jupyter Notebook. I hope this tutorial helped you set up your Python environment in Linux. If you have any question or suggestion, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to like this video. I apologize for any shortcoming in this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.